Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Whirlpool water and ice filter. So in order for you to replace the filter, you're going to have to locate it first. The filter is usually located in the upper right hand corner of the refrigerator compartment or on the base grill. You don't have to turn the water supply off to change it. Now mine is located on the base grill. Now, if your filter is located in the upper right-hand corner, push or pull the tab on the filter cover to open it. Turn the old filter counterclockwise to remove it. If the filter is in the base on the base grill like mine, just push the button or turn the filter counterclockwise to release it. Now, don't get rid of the base. You need to keep that to house your new filter. Align the new filter with the filter housing, insert the new filter, turn it clockwise until it locks in place. If the filter is in the base grill, simply push it until it clicks, and depending on your model, you may need to reset your filter indicator light, which usually involves holding it down for a few seconds. Now, once your new filter is in place, you may want to run a few glasses of water through the dispenser just to flush out any air and to cut down on that new filter taste. Now, let's talk a little bit about this particular filter. If you're going to order a filter from Amazon, this particular filter is really good. It's the Every Drop filter one, and it's the filter approved by Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, KitchenAid, and Gen Air brand. This filter has received 4.7 out of 5 stars, and over 100,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Make sure you change your filter every 6 months. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code just to be on the safe side whenever you remove your old filter. If you haven't ordered the new filter, just look at the model information on your existing filter. But check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.